What's up, y'all? Back again. Tony Finds. Another episode. Back at the local Goodwill. Might have to start calling this show Goodwill Reviews, since this is all I've really put out there so far. But there'll be tons of content to come. Got lots of other stuff to put out there. Let's see. Hello. Good. How are you? All right. What do we got here? Usually we get some pretty good gains on this side of the store. All right. Tons of paintings. There we go. This computer case. Kind of old, a little bit old and beat up. I don't know if that's refurbishable. This is kind of where I want to be here. We're looking for little wooden chests that we could potentially refinish. Something like this. Actually ideal. It's not wood. Can't tell if that can peel off or not. That's almost what we're looking for. This also pretty cool. A little stash box, jewelry box. Something a little larger than this. It's nice. Only $2. I actually really like that one. The cigar case. It's another little thing. I think we got a winner here finally. This is kind of what I'm looking for. I just wish it was a little bigger. But I might be able to modify the inside. Put a picture on there. Kind of cool. Such a shame they got rid of our glass case here. These are bikes. These are kind of good. Not for the winter time. Can't really resell those in the winter. Well, I'm going to consider this run a success based off of this one win alone here. I think I can do something with this. Stay tuned in, y'all. Updates coming.